if you guys are familiar with that song, you know that I come from an island, and you know that you can't be in a wedding without this song. Actually, one of my friends put it on, and she was like, "A wedding can't be a wedding without that song." And I was like, "Oh my god, that's so true." Um, I come from a small island, which is Mauritius, and we always have that in our weddings. Hi everyone. Uh, it's been like, yeah, a little bit over a week I haven't posted, and my forever excuse is like I'm tired. But I got a very exciting news. As you know, I grind a lot, and I just completed two assignments. It's called as assignments for the job that I'm going to propose to share with you today. So it's completely legit. I've done that a couple of times. I've talked with the person as well, and I got paid. Um, so that is very cool. So I just okay. A lot of okay, let's cut it short. So the job is a mystery shopper. So what is a mystery shopper? A mystery shopper is that you go into a shop or fitness or whatever, and you pretend that you're a normal customer. So you can get, for example, this is very common, especially you have it everywhere. Um, so you have it in Toronto, you have it in Ottawa, you have it in Barrie. But that being said, I know you're looking for Barrie, and I'm in Barrie as well. So this is what I got for Barrie. I've done it. I have another friend who did it as well. So something that I get very often is cigarettes. I got lottery tickets. You can get fitness, and it can pay you from $8 to $25. So this is one thing. But you will see how much they pay you. And for example, if you spend money for your lottery ticket, or if you spend money for the cigarette that you have to buy, they reimburse you that payment. So let's take, for example, let's say you and you will have an app with your profile, and every time a job pops up, you can apply for it. So let's say I'm on my phone and I got uh let me show you. Let me show you. Um, okay. So, uh, so it will look something like that, and then you go to available shops, you go to near me, and these are all the stuff that are like populating, and you can pick it. That's interesting. Hmm. I'm sorry. Okay, stop that. Yeah, so there's a list of shop, and you can apply for it, and then you get picked up, and they tell you what to do, what not to do, like check the cleanliness, check the greeting, check the restroom, see if they ask you for your ID, because yes, if you're buying cigarettes, if you're buying lottery tickets, if you buy cigarettes, if you're buying lottery tickets, they need to check on your ID. So basically things like that. Once you're done, you just go there and act as a normal customer, and then when you go there, you when you're out, you just take a copy of a receipt to show that you actually purchased something. Take a picture of you and the logo of the shop to see that, to give proof, and you upload that on the application. It can be on mobile, it can be on the website. So you do that, and then yeah, basically you get paid via PayPal. So, which is very sweet, right? So if you want to sign up for it, I just put the link down. Blah, 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 blah. I just put the link down below. Mm, yeah, I'm having sparkling drinks. I have another drink actually. I might be fit. I'm not that healthy. I don't even. Where's my other drink? Ta-da! If you follow me on Instagram, you know that each month I have a cheesecake, and yeah, I don't exercise. used to be very proud of being like, oh, I don't exercise, I have good genes, and I have a very nice body. But uh, I'm thinking that stop that, fuck that shit, because it's very nice to be like, oh, I have good genes, nah, 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 and I can work like 50 hours and not exercise and still be healthy. But guys, it's really important to exercise and to eat healthy. I'm not telling you to be vegan, but having like fibers and veggies and something like that, I feel like it's better. It makes my skin better. Especially I've been eating carrots, beetroots, and kale these days. It makes my skin look better. I feel better. I still eat a lot. I still eat shit. I still drink shit. I try to drink water most of the time. I don't drink that more all the time. Oh, anyway, that being said, I don't want to make it too long. This is what it is. You can be a mystery shopper if you want to sign up for it. I've put a link down below and just sign up for it and start earning money. Yeah. Oh, one of the things, if it's very little, you don't have to claim it because it's little. And what I would like to do is use that as a side hustle and take that money to put it into an investment account. Yes, I do invest. I use the Wealth Simple Trade. There are other apps that I use as well. If you guys are interested in it, I don't think I'm versatile enough to talk about investment, but you can always DM me on Instagram and I'll just share what I know. Okay? That being said, take care, make lots of money, enjoy winter, and see you in the next video. Bye.